to check the activation date on Redmi A7 Pro, first we have to go to settings. Then in settings you can scroll down a little bit and then open battery. Now over here in battery, if you go to battery protection, then you can find the first use, which can be a good indicator of when the phone was activated for the first time. Of course, it doesn't have the specific day, unfortunately. And if you're looking for a specific date, then you might want to use a different option. We're gonna go back to settings and we're gonna choose Google. Now once we open Google services, you want to tap on your Google account. Then we're gonna choose Google account option. There we go. Now just wait a couple of seconds. And in here you want to go to security and sign in. Now we can scroll down and we are looking for your devices and you have to choose not three, it's gonna be sessions on Android phone. So just choose that option. Wait again. And then we should have the list of our devices. So now you can choose your Redmi A7 Pro. You might need to verify yourself after that by providing the screen lock password or by using biometrics and so on and so forth. In my case, I'm just going to use the pattern. There we go. And then you should have the information about the first sign in. You should see the first sign in date. There we go. Of course, make sure that the correct Google account is used. And of course, this information is only valid if you used that selected Google account on your first day once you got your phone. If you got the phone and then you signed into your Google account later on, like on the next day, or maybe just on another time, then of course this information might be slightly invalid, but still, it's a good way to check when the phone was activated for the first time. Leave a like and subscribe.